In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a trend line on Robinhood. Using trend lines can help you spot patterns and make smarter decisions when you're trading or investing. So let's walk through exactly how you can use this feature on the Robinhood platform, whether you're on the app or the website. First, start by logging into your Robinhood account. This can be done either on the mobile app or directly through the website, whichever you prefer. If you don't already have the Robinhood app, make sure to download it from your device's app store. Once you've entered your credentials and logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen where you can see your portfolio and available stocks. Now, it's time to select the stock you want to analyze. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. When it appears in the search results, tap or click on it to open the detailed stock view. This is where you'll find important information such as the stock's current price, its performance over time, and of course, its chart. The chart is the main tool we'll use today. After you've opened the stock's chart, take a look near the top right corner of the chart area. Here, you should see a button labeled Legend. Go ahead and tap or click on that button. The Legend menu gives you several options to further analyze your stock chart, such as adding technical indicators. For drawing a trend line, find and select the option labeled Trend Line, which should be located among the options on top of the chart. Selecting this enables the trend line drawing tool, allowing you to interact directly with the chart. Now comes the key step, drawing the actual trend line. With the trend line tool active, you can now click or tap directly on the chart where you want to start your trend line. Usually it's a good idea to begin at a significant low or high point on the graph, depending on the trend you want to identify. Once you've selected your starting point, simply drag your finger or mouse across the chart to your desired endpoint. This could be another notable point along the chart's timeline, helping you visually track the trend between two data points. When you release your finger or the mouse, the trend line will stay on the chart. This visual aid can help you quickly identify the direction of the stock's movement over time, and it's perfect for spotting trends such as uptrends, downtrends, or periods of consolidation. That's all there is to it. Drawing trend lines in Robinhood is a straightforward process, but it can provide valuable insights for your investing journey. Thanks for watching, and good luck as you continue analyzing stocks and making informed decisions on Robinhood.